Good day to you, Sir, Madam. My name is Rowena Valdez, a single mom with a 1 kid. I'm 28 years old, a high school graduate. I work already abroad in Lebanon and Malaysia. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the kids and do the household work.
Hi, Miss Rowena. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
It must be patient, hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, by giving food and vitamins on time, go with them in playing, and love them as my own child.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry with them and promise them not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, do hire me. I promise to do my work well and I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Rowena, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.